True life is found in Jesus. God is saying to you today, the world has attempted to persuade you, my child, that success, wealth, attention, and fleeting pleasures will fulfill your soul. However, you still feel hollow, worn out, and yearning for tranquility deep below. This is due to the fact that real life cannot be found in material possessions. Only in me can you find true life. The enemy comes to steal your joy, kill your hope, and destroy your purpose. He wants you to live in fear, confusion, and disappointment. But I did not create you to live defeated. I came so you could have life, real life, full of peace, love, strength, and purpose. I can mend you even if you feel broken. I will never abandon you, even if others do. I witness every struggle you wage in silence. Every prayer you murmur at night is audible to me. I also want you to know that there is still more to your story. Stop believing the lie that you are too far gone. My grace is bigger than your mistakes. My love is stronger than your failures. I can turn your pain into testimony and your weakness into strength. You don't walk alone when you walk with me. I'll lead the way, open the appropriate doors, and keep you safe during every storm. You can find the tranquility you've been looking for in my presence. So today, put your trust ahead of your fear. Pray instead of worrying. Pick me over the world's diversions. Nothing can halt the future I have planned for you. My life plan for you. Stay close to me, and watch how I transform your life in ways you never imagined. If you believe Jesus gives true life, type Amen, and share this message with someone who needs hope today.